Hey team, it's Daniel again here with Brazos Valley Boars and Varmits. So today I want to do a tabletop review about something that I've got behind me, but it's not so much specifically about the gear as it is just the idea of what the whole thing is that I've got behind me. So let's jump right into it. So Marcus, the fall guy, this is his grab and go bag. Because usually what happens is I give Marcus a phone call and say, hey man, let's go hunting and let's do it tonight, like here in just a couple of hours. And so this is his bag that he literally can just grab and go. He has everything he needs ready to go right here. Now I'm the guy that usually has the golf cart, the camera, all that other stuff that goes along with doing the channel. All that he's got to do is have his killing equipment in one bag, and that's all. So he can just grab this, throw it in the truck, haul over, we meet together, and then he gets to go kill him. So all that this is just two pouches. This is all obviously Molly, a shotgun scabbard attached all onto a rifle scabbard. And all of this is just that cheap Chinese stuff that you can just get on Amazon. There's nothing fancy, you know, no high brand name equipment here. But let me just show you what this does for him. In the shotgun scabbard, he has the Primos Gen sticks. Only he likes the monopod. That's his go-to. So he's got that, just slides right into the shotgun scabbard. In this one pouch down on the bottom, he keeps a spare magazine, he keeps a spare box of ammo, and that's all that's in there. In this top pouch, he's got a canister of off, you know, some mosquito repellent, a spare pocket knife, a bottle of lube. He's got a couple of other tools in here, like an Allen wrench tool set. He's got some bug towelettes, just some general stuff like that. He's also got a boar snake all the way in the bottom. So just kind of a few cleaning materials, few, you know, tools in there. He's got his headlamp strapped to it so he doesn't forget that one. Those are always really easy to forget. And then in the rifle scabbard, he has his rifle and primary magazine. Now this is Marcus's Franken gun. I don't think there's 3 parts on here all made by the same people. He's got a little bit of hodgepodge from everybody, and the idea is that everything is skeletonized to be super lightweight. This is actually a 7.62 by 39, so it shoots an AK round through an AR. He's got the weird looking magazine for that. 30 rounder right there. With the scope and the can and the magazine all together, this gun weighs 8 pounds, 13 ounces. Now, you know, some of y'all go, man, that sounds heavy. Go weigh yours. You know, mine, my 308, which is the Kel-Tec RFB, again, 30 round magazine with it, it weighs 15 pounds, 13 ounces. So his is almost half as light. His is 7 pounds lighter than mine. So this thing is real nice, lightweight, easy to carry around for long hauls. But guys, that's it. The big nice thing for Marcus is that he can just grab this bag and go. For him, there's none of this, you know, forgetting this one thing or that other thing. He's got everything that he needs right here, and he doesn't have to go prep it all right before a hunt. He just has to reload his mag, recharge his headlamp, and then this guy is ready to go for the next night, for the next hunt. And so this is just a really neat system. I thought I wanted to show this off to y'all. I'm a little bit jealous, you know, I'm the guy that carries all the spare batteries, all the extra thermals, all the everything else we need. But being that all he's got to do is show up and kill, this system is really nice and really compact and is a great way to go. Guys, I hope that this helps y'all as y'all are out there hand-bushing hogs and eradicating varmints, and keep being awesome. Bye. His rifle. Hey son.
What are you doing?
I was making a video.